Welcome back. In this lecture, we'll show you how you can configure your bash environment with Git completion, and this tool comes real handy. Okay, let us jump in. The installation process copies a version of this file into a folder called user share bash completion/completions, and the file is called Git. You can source this file for Git completion to work for you, or you can grab this from the source code itself and get the latest and the greatest. So what we can do is just go to github.com/ I think I'm already inside this folder. Let me go back one folder on the web here. And once you are at github.com/git/git, look for a folder called contrib. Click on it, then go into a folder called completion. Then what you need is grab this file called git completion.bash. You can just click on it and then do raw. You can copy paste this file, or you can actually curl this whole file. So in order to do that, copy the URL and then do curl . Paste the path, and then once you hit enter, the file will get downloaded as is. Git-completion.bash, that would be the name of the file that gets downloaded. But I'm going to use -o option and kind of give it a name, and I would like to name it as git-completion.bash. And hit enter. The file got downloaded. As you can see, the file is ready. Now what we need to do is we need to source the file. Now once you source this, it will work, but what if you want to have this ready every time you launch your terminal? In order to do that, you will have to add this to your profile file. bash_profile, and this is where you need to add. You can directly say source and the file name, or you can say dot, it will just work. But a better way to add that is you can check if the file exists or not, and then source the file. So git completion, and then I'm going to paste this one. All it is doing is it's an if condition, says here, hey, if this file exists, then source it. Once we have the file, we are good to go. I'm going to open another terminal, increase the size here a little bit. Now that we are ready, all we have to do is kind of start using it. So my repositories are located in this folder. Let me go into git proj1, or let me say proj1, clear this, and so the git completion, what it does is it will kind of autofill for you. You hit the tab, you'll get it. And not just that, as you are working with your commands, you can hit the tab, it will auto-populate the tags and even the log files. When you're dealing with commit log, you can use the tab option, and it will display the possible options for you, and it is intelligent enough to recognize the branches, tags, etc. So as we cruise through this course, we will use this, and I would highly recommend you to start using Git completion, because it comes real handy and it's really helpful. Well guys, that's it in this lecture, and I'll see you in the next.